Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. I want to mention before I jump into all this that on Tuesday we put out a stock pick, wickedstocks.com, on Micron. You might want to check that out. It's setting up for something substantial if it meets certain conditions, but we are approaching a key level. And if we close beyond it, it would set off a significant signal. And I'll just say that much. So you might want to check it out. You can see it for free if you go to wickedstocks.com and take advantage of our 5-day free trial. And you also see daily triple Q, daily SPY analysis, the weekly Apple report. You'll also see weekly S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, just lots to show you, and 2 stock picks every week. Micron came out on Tuesday, still very relevant. So the chart you're looking at, a weekly bar chart going back over 5 years. We had a settlement 7 weeks ago above the 341.18 2-year channel top that set off a buy signal up to 503.69, anticipated as a 3 to 5 month likelihood. You know, that could still happen in 3 to 5 months, could easily happen in 3 to 5 months. It's just that within about 3 to 5 weeks, we came very close to testing 503.69 and have since fallen away. We did have a sell signal that went off a little over a week ago that is now, it's the channel structures we settled below. That was a Monday open and a Monday close, very quietly below these channel support at 459.50, 461.97, well above the market now. I have it as a session containment area if tested. I would expect it within several days of closing above 418.34. And this descending channel top is your short sale zone, your short sale level. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, it's a short sale area down to 341.18. Still anticipating that 2-year channel top at 341.18, holding below the 418.34 3-week channel top. And so day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders, and 2 to 3 week swing traders can have at 518.34 as a short sell area. Holding out then, 3 to 5 day swing trader. Let me find your points here. 3 to 5 day swing trader, it's really 379.28, and that's not really 3 to 5 days, it's more like 2 or 3 days. Selling 518.34, holding out for that low settlement price last week of 379.28. Now on the way down, 372.72 still offers intraday support. You can see that here, and if we break, especially if we open today below 372.72, 379.28 is likely where we could place a daily low, but I say be careful here. I do see 341.18 likely over the next couple of weeks below 418.34. And so we are expecting a settlement at some point below 379.28. And if today, by the end of next week, we should see that 341.18 2-year channel top that can absorb selling not only through the rest of January, but even through the entire first quarter. And from here, we can round up again within 3 to 5 months or sooner to the 503.69 5-year channel top. I think that covers the downside pretty well. Let's take a look at the upside. I just showed you this chart. You got 372.72 intraday support. Intraday resistance 411.05. Nothing more than the high settlement price that was put out on Monday of this week. For last Friday's high, the settlement price was very similar to it. So you've got 2 settlements back to back. 411.05 is the higher of the 2. It can contain intraday buying pressures. It is below yesterday's low of 414.33. So we may top out here on an intraday basis. But if we push through 411.05, 418.34 in reach today. 418.34, your short sell opportunity as we move into later January, anticipating 341.18 as a completed 2 to 3 week target. Now, if we close above 418.34, just the opposite. I have a 2 to 3 week upside target at 503.69. So if you sell 418.34, 3 to 5 day, 2 to 3 week swing traders, you do want to reverse and go long with a settlement above 418.34. I mean, you're going to want to have your stop loss on an intraday basis. And then if we close above 418.34, you get long and stay long into later January as we presume presumably then continue on up to 503.69. And of course, as I said before, on the way up, within several days of closing above 418.34 is 461.98. These former channel bottoms, they can contain daily buying pressures, possibly several days on the way up. We'll see at that time, if they are tested, what they may sync up with other elements on the chart. But for right now, they're kind of on their own. A solid area to sell if you're a day trader. But once again, closing above 418.34, you want to be long into later January up to 503.69. That should take about 2 to 3 weeks. And if tested, can absorb buying through the entire first quarter, possibly into later 25. And if settled above at the end of any week, by a full 1% margin, expecting then 607.73 within another 3 to 5 weeks or so, 727.17 within another 3 to 5 months. But we are nowhere near that. I'm not expecting those upper points unless we close above 503.69 by a full 1% margin. So I'm way outside of the realm of what's going on right now. I'm going to leave you with this chart. 379.28 can contain session weakness, and it actually is in reach today. We came very close on Monday to testing that 418.34 descending channel top, and if tested today, can contain weekly highs, and below which bearish momentum remains firmly intact. We have this very clearly defined as a channel structure would, lower low, lower high rotational dynamic, and you can make a point that Monday's high was the most recent rotation to the upside. The market inclined to bearish rotation. Now, I'll mention that the channel bottom over the next few days will converge anyway with 341.18, where profits can be taken and long entry pursued as we move through the first quarter. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of that 5-day free trial. You'll be able to see Micron that we put out on Tuesday. We've got another stock pick coming out on Thursday. I think it'll be Thursday. Even though the markets are closed, it'll be relevant then for you on Friday. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back, of course, with Friday's Tesla. Thursday is a non-day, what would you call it, a national holiday for President Carter's funeral. I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back soon. You have a great day.